Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nepangkeun nami abdi Syara Nur di kelas 10 bahasa. In the sickle, it hurts so bad. The cry of the heart is ignored. Can't wait. Oh my god, I really have the heart. Go in the afternoon, don't come mess. I'm sleepy opening the door. My heart hurts, I'm sick. I really have the heart. Pain, sick pain. Can't be treated late. It fall apart. That is also not curious. While I'm still young. While I don't have a children. I'll just give you the forecast. Pain, sick pain, can be treated late. It fall apart. Die is also not curious. While I'm still young. While I don't have a children. I'll just give you the forecast. You don't need the crocodile man. Have a sense of being a hero. It's like changing and cause casually. Oh my god, I have the heart. Terima kasih.